When you successfully installed Mesh to Surface for SOLIDWORKS, you will need an activation license to start using the software, even for the evaluation. What you need to do is the following. You select File, and then you create an empty part document in SOLIDWORKS. You will be able now to see the command bar of Mesh to Surface. Click on the License button. You can see the software displays the serial number of your local computer. The next step is you just press on the Copy to Clipboard. You see a message that everything happened. Then you need to open your email client and send an email to support@meshtosurface.com. Type in just a subject so we know what it's all about. Then you right click and you select Paste. As you can see, the software will paste your serial number, and then you just send this message to us. We will then generate a trial license and we'll send it back to you. What you need to do then is, again, you press on the license, get your activation license that you have received from us, right click in the empty box and select Paste. Now you need to press Activate. The software will tell you that you need to restart SOLIDWORKS. The next step is you just restart SOLIDWORKS and you'll be able to start using our software. Thank you for watching.